Welcome back to the BSN channel. Today we are making some yam with Kobi and garden eggs, which is Aire ne Nyadua Abomu. Yeah, simply like that. So let's show what we're doing so far. We got the yam already boiled. Is it already boiled? It's already boiled. We've got the onions sauteing in palm oil with the Kobi in there. Obviously the Kobi brings that fragrance. So let's show what's going on. So as I said before, we got the palm oil with the onions sauteing in that. Also the Kobi is getting sauteed in the same oil as well. This is the boiled yam, the baire. Left here we've got some nice chopped, smoked and peppered mackerel. Got some sardines. I'm guessing this is for the garnish, right?
Yeah, put this one in now.
Why?
I don't want it all. It's not a lot of quantity.
Alright, so you don't use that much?
Yeah.
Where's that strong smell coming from? Well, obviously I know, but let people know where that strong fragrance is coming from.
Smell it, they can't. It's only you.
Well, what I mean is, if you was to prepare this, what would you be smelling first?
When you put tomatoes inside something like that, obviously, you have to have it outside. The smell of it.
So my mum's opened the back door. It's the Kobi. There's not even a lot of Kobi with it. I mean, a lot of people put more Kobi.
Yeah, it depends if you have more. If you don't, you have.
But any Kobi is better than no Kobi. Is that what you're saying? Okay, so my mum has boiled the garden eggs, the nyadua, and she's blended them. You can put this in a blender, you don't really need to.
Yeah, anybody can do it. Or you can even cut it.
No, everyone, yeah.
And steam it a little bit and throw it in. Still like it. I'm doing it myself today because when I ask you to grind it, you just break it into pieces and you think it's done.
Oh no, that's the pepper, not the nyadua. That's because that's the way I like it. But obviously,
yeah, when you live in a village, then you can do that. That's the type when they go to farm they do.
Well, when I go back to Donya now, I'll do that.
In your village, yeah. Yeah, now this is ready.
The mackerel.
Yeah. Mackerel, sardine, it's coming in. What's this in it?
Two stinky fishes.
This one doesn't.
Well, to be honest, Kobi is a big one to beat.
Sardine doesn't.
The Kobi is a big one to beat, to be honest.
Yeah. Put some
Or jumbo seasoning.
Yeah, jumbo.
You used to use Maggi, but you don't use that anymore. And a healthy alternative is just use salt.
Salt is better. I'm taking advantage because at the moment I'm not big. So.
I saw one comment on one of the previous videos talking about using pink salt. So I'll try that out one day.
Pink salt?
Yeah.
Yeah, the mountain salt.
Yeah.
I know. It's
Is it good?
It's organic, but it's not for eating really.
What do you mean? It's not tasty?
It is tasty, it's for bathing. Because I've done research on it.
But can you use it for food? Because other people say they use it.
But if you don't have it, if you have that in the house, you can still use it.
But is it a healthy alternative?
No. It's good for bath to get rid of arthritis and body ache and things. The pink one.
I didn't realize we actually have some brodier plantain here. That's, you know, in some water. I mean, after she boils it, she leaves it in water to help it cool down.
Okay. You want to taste it.
Okay, so let me...
That stink.
Yeah, that part is really stinking.
Alright,
Alright, so more res than else. Sorry, we were just talking about birds.
One capra, Abwa is okay. So like somebody say Abwa.
I thought it was Anuma.
Abwa, it can be anything that lives up.
Or are you talking about Intakra Boa?
Yes, Abwa. Those are the ones that can fly up.
Ah, okay.
Anyone that they can just and fly up is they bear Intakra, which is feathers.
Okay. Sorry, we're just having a little conversation. Random. As family do. We talk about things. Once again, me and you. Sorry, I forgot you're here as well.
Me and you.
No, I'm talking about the what I'm looking at, the kukwomu. Is that how you say it?
Yeah, kukwomu or intensely.
Okay.
But you're seeing a pot.
I'm talking to what I see in the pot, basically.
Yeah. I still don't taste my salt.
Alright, so my mom's added some salt to the nyadoa.
I keep adding. Because I haven't eaten nothing at all.
West Africa, we love our salt.
Oh yeah. That's why we die quickly with you know, we suffer with hypertension, diabetes, cholesterol, and other diseases.
What does it taste like?
Yeah, it's coming on.
What does that mean when you say that?
It's getting there.
No, I mean specifically, what type of taste are you looking for?
To leave it in for a while, keep stirring it, because I'm trying to get rid of the tomatoes, chopped tomatoes I put in, you know, the water from that tomatoes, it makes it a bit sour. So I'm trying to get rid of the fresh one. So after it's steam up properly.
So I forgot to say, the pepper's been grinded with the garden egg.
Yeah, yeah, all there. I like to put a bit more.
Okay, so this is the plantain and jam that's been left aside.
A bit more pepper, crushed in here. Yeah.
Okay, that was an accident.
I'm in trouble tomorrow.
You don't take as much pepper as you used to.
Yeah.
I would have preferred you put scotch bonnet in there, but you know.
There is one there, but I wouldn't want to cut another one. I could have cut one and throw it in, but yeah.
Sometimes when you don't have enough fish, I use that thing called fish sauce. It's a Far East Asian condiment, which is quite nice. It's very stinky. It's made from fermented anchovy. You know, anchovy stinks in a very good way.
I haven't got any. It's not I brought from my money. I brought you my money.
That's funny right there.
Did you know the reason I made the Ampesie is this?
Oh, the avocado, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, avocado is very nice with.
Yes.
Did you just call this contomi? Oh no, I thought you called it contomi.
No, anything that is Ampesie and sauce, you need avocado. I'm trying to cut. take this one out. It looks so yellow, and that is the perfect one.
Yeah, but every time you have a yam,
It's got oil even coming, so this is, we call it pear in oil.
okay.
Avocado, you know, it's got oily one. Sometimes we've got watery one. This one looks different. Can you see the oil?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
fats.
Yeah. So we call it pear nkun. Nkun. You know what nkun means? Oil. Nkun. Or like stradia.
Yeah, I know sadia.
Yeah, another word is
Sadia is fats, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's done. So it's giving it enough flavor.
So this was quite quick. You didn't have to, you know, do this for long. About 20 minutes.
No. I've done it for about 15 minutes and it's giving it enough flavor. I was waiting for the flavor. Yeah, this is done. It's going on top of the inyadua. It's all done. We're putting the Kobi inside. So the impurities from the bottom of the pot is going inside. So that's it.
Are you gonna mix it together, or are you just gonna stir it a little bit?
Just a little stir, because I'm going to. I'll eat my one in a pot. So.
Yeah, talk about that. I remember when I was young, you used to tell me women have the pot.
Yeah.
Like this specific.
Yeah, we give the bowl, like plates like that, to the men, and then we use the pot. I mean, that grinding pot.
Yeah, do you know the reason for that?
Oh, it's easier, isn't it? I can't dish my one in a plate. It's respect, and then give that one to a man.
But why is that respect?
It's disrespect.
Why is it disrespect?
So we try and show our respect by giving you a nice dish.
Alright, so a clean plate is like a sign of respect. As in, okay.
And then we take, you know.
So like, you're my man, I'm showing you the respect of giving you a clean plate.
Of course. You don't even, without saying.
Okay.
So, I'm dishing out this, and this is going to go on top of my sauce. Oh, it's so nice, but it's so dangerous for me to finish it, or I'm leaving half in the fridge.
Yeah, it's only you who likes avocado. I don't mind when you mix it, when you blend it with it, but
yeah,
on its own, I'm not really, I'm not a big fan of it.
It goes like this. I like it to be on top of my sauce. So, even though it won't be, wow. Reminds me of my mom. They are all there. Wow. What is this? After this, it's called going back to bed.
Yeah. Lucky you, I've got things to do.
Yeah, I know. Me, back to sleep after this cup of tea and back to sleep. I'll put it here.
Okay, so this is a little vlog on how to do, well, not how to do, but you know, you can follow this. How to do a nice inyadua abom ne Kobi.
Yeah, within an hour.
Yep. Very quickly. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this short vlog. If you liked the video, please press like. If you didn't, feel free to press dislike. Sorry for the shaking of the camera. I'm trying to work on that. If you haven't already, please subscribe. God bless. Sorry, I'm just looking at the food. I'm so hungry. That's why I'm talking slow. God bless to the people who believe. And good luck to the atheists, okay? Peace.